Hi folks, this is Max from HiOnAndroid.com. So in this video I'm going to go over some of the camera features. Since there's so many features, I'm going to try to break down my videos into different parts. My first video I think was the demo of the video itself, and second was the S Pen. So let me show you in the third part, let me show you the camera features. I didn't actually show you 1080p videos. For the camera, you get the front camera, which works really well, by the way. Take a photo for you. You can see it. It's very clear. I think it's 2 megapixel. I'm not sure, but there's a bunch of settings you can do for the back camera, up to 8 megapixels. You can choose down to there, and also you can choose flash on, auto flash. And the feature I like is the anti-shake, which can be very handy for taking photos. Other than that, you can also edit shortcuts here, and you can hold and drag different parts. But I would like to change the resolution, and well, you know what? Take this out. We can put metering in there. And there's effects. There's a ton of options. You can even do save as flipped, autofocus mode, scenic mode. There's a ton of things you can do, and you can also switch it on the go, like that. So GPS tagging. And let me show you for the camcorder portion. You also get the you can edit the shortcuts. Different shortcuts you can do. Resolution 1080p at 30 frames per second. That's good. Super fine. All this. So let me go take a photo of my backyard, or video of my backyard, and I'll take a bunch of photos. Well, actually I have a bunch of photos. I'll have a link to that as soon as I post it on my site. But let me go take a video in 1080p so you can see what it is. So I'm holding the camera with both hands. Let me see if we can pick up whoa, what was that? We can get some depth of field going. Will it adjust? Okay, there you go. So depth of field works really well. Oh, we have a hummingbird here over there. Okay, and let me go down there and take some videos. So that's the Pacific Ocean over there, Pacific over there. Alright. And let me try to put a person in there, holding with 2 hands. Panning slowly. Right and left. This is my rest area, tent. Alright. And this is taken with my Galaxy Note, holding it with 2 hands. It's in 1080p, so it might be a little shaky. But my thought on smartphones is that, you know, they're not going to still be as good as point-and-shoot cameras. If you really want some good 1080p recording video, I would go with the Canon L300HS or above. I think they have the 310HS now, 320HS, one of the two. Anyway, but the camera is really nice. Camera works really well. The video actually works really well, as shown in my other video showing at nighttime testing. So it's fairly okay. I mean, it's a smartphone. You're not gonna get, you know, as good as of a point and shoot, but it's still pretty good. So that was the test of the video on the Galaxy Note. We'll have more features, more reviews coming soon, so subscribe folks. See y'all later.